Look at you! You're having some good times with your beloved e-scooter. But if you want to spend a lot more fun time with your e-scooter, then maybe it's time to give the old girl some new love. So, grab your e-scooter, summon your tools, and let's get down to business. It's kinda like maintaining a car. You'll still look sexy while doing it, but without all of the complicated work. First thing you want to take care of is the brake. If you have to pull the brake lever all the way down to stop, then shorten the disc brake distance to make it more responsive. If the brake distance is already short, but you still cannot stop the e-scooter even if you squeeze the shit out of the handbrake lever, then tighten the screws of the brake pad. If the brake works just fine, but the disc brake makes some weird scratching noises every time you brake, then loosen the two screws of the disc brake and adjust the disc brake rotor to the center of the two brake pads before tightening the screws again. Now that the brake is working great, let's work on the tires. You're gonna want to get a tire pressure tool to keep the tire pressure within the right range to avoid a lower speed, reduced traction, uncomfortable experience, or other irregular tire pressure caused situations. And what about the heart of the e-scooter, the battery? First, and perhaps most importantly, try not to completely drain your battery. We recommend charging your e-scooter battery after every short distance ride. But if you came back from a long ride, it's better to let the battery cool down for at least 30 minutes before charging. But no matter what, use the original charger to avoid battery damage. If you're going to put it away for a while, make sure the battery is at least 75% charged. Take care of your e-scooter, because if you don't let it down, it won't let you down. If you're interested in the M10 model we used in this video, click the link below for more information. Thanks for watching.